And welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm making African breakfast in this video. I'll be preparing beans cake, which the Yoruba people refer to as Akara. I'll also be making ogi, meaning pap. Pap is just similar to the English custard. To make Akara, I have some brown beans that is already peeled. To see the process of how to peel the beans, you can refer back to our video on moi moi elewe. The brown beans, you soak it into some water, and using the palm of the hand, you remove the skin of the beans, or you can use a blender to remove the skin of the peel, to peel the beans. In this video, I've got the beans already peeled, so I'm going to be blending with 1 onion and 1 scotch bonnet. I'll be using a little bit of water, not too much, to get the consistency required for Akara. Place the peeled beans into the blender, a little at a time, not too much, because the beans make the blender struggle. Pour in a little bit of water. I've got the beans blended, so I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. You may add some other items like crayfish if you want, but I like preparing things in a simple manner. So I'm just adding the salt and then mixing to get some air into the Akara. Place a scoop of the batter into medium hot oil, not too hot, 1 portion at a time, and fry on both sides until golden brown. Ensure the cooker is on low heat so that the inside of the Akara can cook through. Flip the Akara onto the other side using a fork. The Akara is now ready. I'll remove them from the oil and place onto some kitchen paper to take off the excess oil. To prepare the ogi, the pap, I've got the yellow pap made of yellow maize, and I have the white one made of white maize. You can also use the one made of millet, but I'm going to use the yellow maize. Pap is similar to custard. So to make the pap, I'm going to place a saucepan with a little bit of water, and I'll add about a tablespoon or 2 of the pap into a bowl. Add a little bit of water. You can also use milk if you prefer. Add a little bit of water or milk. You can add sugar at this stage or leave it out until after you've cooked the ogi. Mix the pap into a liquid state, and then we'll stream it into the boiling water and stir with a wooden spoon to make our ogi. The other option is to, as it is in the liquid state, you can pour the hot water over it and cook it for a few minutes in the microwave, stirring until you get to the consistency that you prefer. The ogi is ready. I'll be serving the ogi in a bowl. I'll drizzle a little bit of milk on the ogi, a sprinkle of a teaspoon of sugar, And on my side plate, I'll serve the akara. Enjoy.